Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 169 Laravel 11 data table date format with create at tutorial, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is available real-estate underscore lara underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table available, and this click this user table, and this table is already created. This is a, please check this previous video and click this structure, and this is a by default table, and this is a Laravel. This is a date format. This is a temp, this is a create updated date. This is a available, and this is a already by default table is a available. This created date. This is a format wise is a implementation. First of all, this is a my route is open, and this is a project is available. This project is already available. This my gem folder inside this doc directory, and this is a project. Let's this project directory inside this cmd open this directory. Inside this successfully cmd open this directory. Let's run php artisan server and enter php artisan server and enter. Successfully working. This url is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully project is a working. This is a latest version. Let's route is open. Inside this web.php open. Inside this is a new create. This is a new route is a create route. Route name is a get user date format. This is a new route date format. Inside this is a new controller is a create user controller. Let's user controller is a create user controller is a create, and this inside this new function create same function is a create db. This is a same function is a create. Otherwise this is a as it is a index is a implementation index is a set, and this is a close good working. Let's this control is not available. Let's new control is first of all inside this implementation. This is the implementation user app http controller and paste here, and successfully paste. This is a control is a create. Let's create inside this is a implementation app http controller, and this is a new control is a create and php. This is a name and php. Successfully create. This is a control is a create. Inside this name is a function is a create. Let's step by step implementation control is a create. This is a controller is a create. Controller name is a this is a same name user controller, and this is a close and public function and index, and this request already create copy and paste here $request, and this is a set dd www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a save file. Let's check this index function. First of all, this is a url is a copy and slash and paste here. Successfully working fine. This is a working fine. This is a all good. This is a dd is a working file. Please write down, and this is a my channel name. Otherwise this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. we are held to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available, and this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon and follow this social media Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Successfully working. Let's remove, and this is a new file. Return view. File name is a create. This is a file name user date. This is a same file name, same copy this copy, and inside this is a new file is a create resource. Inside this view, inside this new file is a create and blade php. Successfully create and hello save file, and this is a file is a save. This is a file is a successfully user date format is a file is a create, and this is a hello. Let's refresh this page. Successfully hello is a print. Good working. This is a fine. All good. Let's step by step implementation. HTML start. HTML is already HTML start. Save file. Inside this is the implementation Laravel tutorial. This is a Laravel Yajra table tutorial. Successfully implementation save file, and this is a title. Let's check this title is a inside. This is a title is a set. Successfully this is a title set. This is a blank. Inside this is a body. Inside this is a not available, otherwise available to 100% sure. Let's first of all this is a file is a write down. This is a file is a compulsory is a implementation, and this file is a compulsory implementation. Total five file is a available. This step by step please write down. This is a all write down file, otherwise not a working. Please write down. This is a CDN, otherwise live file. This is a live file is available. Please write down this step by step this file. All is a set. This is a all file is a successfully set. Please write down. Next is a div tag is a start. Div inside this class container successfully container. Inside this is a div is a create. This is a div is a create, and this div is a close. Inside this is a ts means header is a create. Save file. Let's check this, refresh this page, and inside this is a available. All good. This is a fine successfully file. Good working. This is a fine. Inside this t body is a start, and this is a t body. Div class body start, and this table class table border, and table. Save file. Inside this is a header is a create. Header inside this is a header is a create. Successfully header is a create, and this is number, name, email created, updated, and action. And let's save file, and this is available. Number means ID. This is a number is available. Let's refresh this page. This is a translation. Open close this and refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a all good. Number, name, email created, stated, and this is a number means ID, name, email, and this is a short name, and this you implement all field. This is a created date. Let's step by step implementation. First of all, this is a inside. This is a data format is a implement data table. This is a save file. All good. Please write down this step by step file. Please write down. Let's body inside. This is a script is a start. Script is a start, and function is a dollar function, and this is a set, and this is a close. All good. Save file. Let's variable table is equal to dollar dot. This is a data table. Same name is a data table. Copy and paste here. Data table. Processing true, and this is a true. Processing true. Let's Ajax start. Ajax URL route is a create route users index, and this is a last is a close. Save file. Let's same name is a copy. Inside this is a table is open. This is a web.php name, and this is a paste. Successfully name is a paste. All good. This is a name is a paste. Please write down. This is a all. URL is a successfully created. Let's data format data function D, and this is a start and this is a close. Inside this, first of all, D name, email and status. This is a 3 ID is a implementation. D name, status, and this is the field. Hash name is a implementation. All good. This is inside this function is available inside. This is a data table. This is a inside. This is a implementation. This is a class. Successfully all set, and this is a date range function is a implementation. This is a date range function is a implementation. Please write down, this is a date range function. This is a ymd. This is a successfully implementation, and this is a 3 inside. This is a close. This close inside. This name is a implementation, and this is a close inside. This is a column name is a set. Columns. This is a name is a set. First of all, this is a ID is a set. Second is a name is a set. Third is a email is a set. Created at is a set, and this status is a set. Last is a action format is a set. All good. Please write down, this is a file. Inside this is a open. This is a table name is available. Table name is ID, name, email, created and status. This is the all field is available in database name. Click this structure. Inside this ID, name, email and status, and this is a created date, and this is a list of field available. I am this short video. You implement all step by step. This is a field, and this is a tutorial. Inside this video is only tutorial, and this is a date format is a set. All good. And this is a table name is available. Table name is by default user table, and this is a Laravel. And this model inside this is available. This is a table. This is a model is a user model by default model, and this is a not a use. This get record is a not use. This is other project is a working fine. Let's this model inside this is a implementation, and this is a model is a implementation. This is a user model is a successfully implementation. $database table is a set, otherwise not a working. Let's inside this is a working fine. This first of all, this is if request is a start, if $request Ajax, and this is a set, and this is a last is a close. All good. This is a not a use. This cut, and inside this is a paste here. Successfully paste. All good. First of all, this is a variable is a create. Variable name is a data variable, and in this is a user query is a set. All good. And this is a return format is a send. This is a return. Inside this is a all column is a first column is a status field is a implementation, and this is a database table status field. Second is available created date, not a all date created, and last is a implementation. This is a action. All good. Please write down, this is a all good. This status field, this created field, inside this is available. This is a created field, and this is a status field, and this is a by default automatically is a get. Let's refresh this page, and this is a processing. All data is available. This is a 42 record is available entry. Inside this 42 record is available, and this is a all 42 record is a total available. This is a get record. This is a all record. This is a all pagination wise is a implementation. All good. This is a date format wise is a set. All good. This is a created date is available. All successfully YMD, and this is a date wise is a set. Created date range is a set, and this inside this different mddy, this is a ddy, dddm, and this is a ddd m y. And this same name is a copy, and inside this paste here, same paste here, dmy, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a not available. Why not available? Inside this is a available dmy, and this is a dmy. This is the inside this dmy is a available. Let's refresh this page, and this is a dmy is a date format wise is a implementation successfully. This is a date format wise is a implementation dmy. Inside this is a implementation. Please write down, otherwise not a working. Please step by step all write down. This is a search, and this is a number is a 8 available. Let's 8 successfully 8 available. Leave 28 available. On this 28 is available. Let's inside this admin, and this is a admin is available. This is a remove, and this is a link is all available. Let's 10_07, and this is a not available, and this is only 10. This is a 10 is available. All good. And this is an email is a same name, copy and paste here, and this is the only record is a search. This is a filter is a search Yajra data table, and this is a 11 is a working fine. This is a video is a compulsory is a done. Please write down this. First of all, this is a create route. Inside this is a controller is a create, this is a controller, and this is step by step write down this controller. Please write down this controller, and this is a file is a create. Please write down this is a file, otherwise your lost of mount is a create. This is a all set, and this is a by default file is a available. And this is my official website error solution. Anytime contact 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype users available. Thank you.